This scenario is similar to the previous scenario, except that the vendor is partly satisfied with a cash payment, in addition to the issue of debentures. As in the previous scenario, the company is obliged to issue the debentures at a discount of 10%. First, the acquisition of the asset and the creation of the obligation to the vendor. Then the part discharge of that obligation by the payment of cash. Note that the company at the time of issue of debentures is obligated to the vendor only to the extent of rupees 1.35 lakhs. Rupees 65,000 having been paid for in cash. They will have to issue debentures of a face value totaling to something more than 1.35 lakhs. Exactly how much? It is calculated in the working note. The issue price that the vendor is agreeing for is only rupees 90 for a debenture of face value of rupees 100. The difference being the discount of 10% decided upon. The result being that the company now has to issue 1,500 debentures of the face value of rupees 100 each, amounting to rupees 1,50,000. All of this to settle an obligation of rupees 1.35 lakhs. The difference is accounted as discount on issue of debentures, which will eventually be written off as loss suffered by the company. This then is the whole entry to record the discharge of liability by the issue of debentures at a discount. Vendor account debit, discount on issue of debentures account debit to debenture account.